In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple wallpapers to Gumroad. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload a batch of wallpapers to an existing product and keep everything neat and easy for your customers to download. First, head to your Gumroad dashboard and sign in if you aren't already. From the left sidebar, open the Products section. Find the product you want to update. This is the one that will include the wallpapers, and click to open it. Inside the product editor, go to the Content tab. This is where all the files your customers receive are managed. Next, choose Upload Files. Gumroad gives you a few ways to add content. You can embed media, pull from your computer, reuse existing product files, or connect a cloud source like Dropbox. For most wallpaper packs stored on your device, select Computer Files. This option is straightforward and supports common image formats like JPG and PNG, which are ideal for wallpapers. Your file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your wallpapers live, then select them all at once. On most computers, you can use Shift to select a range or Control or Command to pick individual files. When you're ready, click Open to start the upload. You'll see the files appear in the list as they progress. If you have large images or many files, give it a moment to finish. Waiting for the upload to complete ensures your customers won't run into broken downloads later. To keep things organized, you can add a folder name so all the wallpapers are grouped together in the buyer's download. Clear labels like wallpapers or even resolution-based folders such as 4K and mobile help customers quickly find what they need. This doesn't change the files themselves. It simply improves the experience after purchase. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. This step commits your updates to the product so the new wallpapers are included the next time someone downloads it. If you leave without saving, your files won't be attached, so always confirm with that save. A quick recap. Open your product from the dashboard, go to Content, choose Upload Files, select Computer Files, multi-select all your wallpapers, optionally group them with a folder name, and save. For best results, keep file names descriptive, make sure images are high quality but not excessively large, and consider consistent dimensions or aspect ratios across the pack. If your connection is slow or your files are already in the cloud, you can use the other upload sources provided in the same menu. That's it. You've added multiple wallpapers to your Gumroad product cleanly and efficiently.